Hello students, Miss Slyman here, and we're now into solving trig equations. So let's look at the different ways we can solve this. One way, of course, is by looking at our graph. So we've got the graph of 2 cosine theta plus 1, and we want it to equal 0. Well, equaling 0 is, of course, down at the x-axis, because that's where the y values are 0. So we've replaced our y now with 0. So I can see values here, but I don't know exactly what they are. I know that they're between pi over 2 and pi and 3 pi over 2, negative pi over 2, negative pi, but I don't know exactly what they are. So let's see if we can solve them exactly using algebra. So I'm going to say 2 cos theta equals negative 1. That means cos theta is negative 1/2. This is one of my trig identities. I know that cosine of theta is equal to 1/2, or negative 1/2, sorry. So cosine theta negative 1/2 is the tall angle in quadrant 2 and 3. So up here and down here. So this angle I know is going to be, that's my pi over 3 angle, so 2 pi over 3. The next one down here is 4 pi over 3. So that's these two, and that makes sense. Pi over 3 is greater than pi over 2. That's not true. Oh, sorry, 2 pi over 3. Okay, 2 pi over 3 is greater than pi over 2. 4 pi over 3 is greater than pi. On the negative side, that's coming this way. Well, I have the same thing. I have negative 2 pi over 3, and negative 4 pi over 3 would be up to this angle. So I see 4 angles in this graph. Normally you would have a domain, or they would say something like given this picture or something like that. So given this picture, we have 4 values, and there are 4 values.